Hi, I'm Jake with Specialized Garage Doors, and we're going to cover how to repair your crooked garage door. When your garage door goes crooked on you, the most likely culprit is one of the cables has fallen off the drum, and to get that reinstalled, you need to get that cable back on the drum to straighten the door out. The easiest way to do it is to use a come along and a cable puller, and I'll show you how to do that. Basically, you snap your cable puller onto the cable. Most likely these are all tools that just a garage door professional is going to have, so you might want to have them out to do this for you. And then go ahead and hook your come along onto the track. You need to do this on the side of the door that still has tension on it, so whichever side of the door is up high. Then you can crank this back down enough until you have some slack in the bottom of the cable. So you got a little bit of slack there. So then you're going to take your cable that's off and feed it back into the groove that it was in and just reinstall it back in that groove. Once you get it lined up there, if the cable won't stay put and keeps wanting to fall out of there, you can take a pair of vice grips and clamp it onto the cable, give you a little bit of extra weight to hold it in place. Then you come back over here and release the tension on your come along, and your door should be back to straight. Again, that was Jake with Specialized Garage Doors, and we've just covered how to repair your crooked garage door.